Hi, good evening everyone. In today's class, we are going to learn about French articles, definite one. There are two kinds of articles like definite and indefinite like in English. But in French, we have the articles which are used before noun seeing its gender. Not in English. In English, we simply say the eraser, the table, the fan. But in French, we have to see the gender of the object. In Hindi also, we have the gender of the objects. If I give you the example, like Pankha chalta hai, it means Pankha is male. Table kali hai, it means table is female. The same thing applies in French too, but that is not there in English. For English words, it's always the, the. As you can see on your screen that le comes before the masculine singular object. When I say le livre, it says the book. Okay, and I'm writing le here, it states that livre is male. In the feminine singular object, you put la, it has to be singular. Singular in the sense when there is no s in last, so it is considered to be singular. L apostrophe, the third line, L apostrophe comes before a vowel. In English, we have A, E, I, O, U. In French, we add H too. So L apostrophe in singular case comes as an article definite, and the last one is les, which is pronounced like lay, and it comes for all kind of plural formation irrespective of its gender. Now, when to use definite articles, you know that already. Talking about something specific or already known, whenever you want to stress on something by saying the pen of my brother. So in that condition, the talking about journal truth or categories using verbs like ma prefer for journal preferences. Like whenever you say I like the, I prefer the. These are the verbs like ma and prefer. Ma is to like, prefer is to prefer, and it is very similar to prefer in English. They have given the example to les chats aiment le lait. The cats like the milk. The milk. In English, you are writing cats like milk, but in French, you have to have the article before the object. Examples in sentences more. Le chien court vite. Le chien. Okay, we need to focus on le la le only for the time being. The other objects and the verbs and the adverbs that we will see later on. Le chien court vite. The dog runs fast. La voiture est rouge. The car is red. Where you see this le, again it indicates that chien, which is dog, it's a male here. That's why it's taking le. When you talk about voiture, which means car, la is coming before it. It indicates that voiture is female. L'arbre, l'arbre. It's a masculine singular vowel. So L apostrophe will come, and in the last one, when you read it out, les élèves écoutent. The students are listening. Then here, les is coming, as I told you before, that's ending with s. So it will take les. Though it's starting with e, but this rule does not work here as this élève is ending with s. I hope you understand that. Still, if you have any confusion while I am explaining, you can always write your query in comment. Now, a quick quiz, we can do it. I hope the people who are watching this video, they may know a bit French, or If they are learning too, they can always take the help of Google and get me the answers. And then maison et belle, enfant joue, école et fermée, garçon lit un livre. You can practice for them. The answer is also given here. Maison, female, la. Enfant, S, though is starting with a vowel, les. École, starting with a vowel, it is singular, not ending with S. It will take L apostrophe. Garçon, which means a boy, LE. LE stands for male. The boy reads a book. La maison est belle. You can listen to me carefully. You can practice yourself. Les enfants jouent. L'école est fermée. Le garçon lit un livre. I am also planning to have a class on Sunday. If anybody wants to join, you can always leave a comment and show your consent. The summary. French definite articles le, la, l apostrophe les used to refer to specific or known nouns must match the noun in gender and number. This is for French. Mainly essential for proper grammar and comprehension. Merci beaucoup.